Hey guys, what's up? Jacob GTAV here, and subscribe to 3 channel, W98 and Jesse Gaming. And we made a full day of vlogs, videos. Right now we have food. Yeah, I've been starting to eat, and a drink. And I'm not trying to eat in front of you guys. If you're eating dinner right now, comment down below if you're eating dinner, alright? I never make vlogs, yeah, I never make vlogs when I eat dinner, so, you can use the microwave, and yeah, I'm just gonna talk about this, and talk about some stuff, and I'm gonna peace out, you guys, alright, because I have to finish eating, and then I'll pause the video, and make a video outside when I go jump, alright? I'll unpause the video, and yeah. You guys want to see the old camera that doesn't really work? It's right here. Yeah. Set the camera up on the camera. Old camera, I mean. So, I'm pause the video. Shout out to Cassie Official for making lots of videos. So, I'm pause the video. Catch back with you guys in a little bit after I'm done eating. Probably might take 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 5. Alright? Catch back with you guys, alright? Alright guys, it took me like 6 minutes to finish. So, I'm outside now. And this dog, hope he doesn't bark and ruin my video after it starts. So, sorry, I had to burp. Just looking. Sorry guys, sorry if it's bad. I just have to do my business, and should have done it inside and pause the video. Oh yeah, got my energy out. Oh yeah, sick. Oh yeah. Subscribe to 3 channel. Subscribe, anyone out there, subscribe to 3 channel, right? So, we have 14 subscribers, and yeah. So guys, remember when I was at the Zachary's playground earlier with my cousin? I think that got like 30 or 40 views. I actually don't know. So, this is the trampoline. Y'all been through this discussion. We have a new, it's not a new trampoline, but it's this trampoline. So, we have a pool over there, you guys see. If you guys can see. And yeah, I'm gonna do a knee flip. And any people that can do knee flips can beat my record at front flips and back flips. So, yeah, you wanna see? I was actually on my knees, and I did a front flip. So, pretty dope. Pretty sick. Oh yeah. I actually hit my arm on the trampoline, so yeah. Looking at the road over there. If anyone's watching this one upload, comment good video, alright? Comment good video in the comment section. Sorry, it's burping. So, it's burping, so, yeah. It's hard to, jump at the same time and vlog. So, I see around here and stuff. This is all the houses. But it's actually in the trampoline. I'm actually gonna pause the video. Alright guys, the video is not paused. anymore. And I'm gonna walk over here. Just walk back and forth talking to you guys. And yeah, thank you guys saw my address. So, don't like spread it to anybody. If you did, I might hold it up like that. Yeah. The neighbor's out. I have to go in the backyard. See you guys in a minute. Yeah.